Bus, plane, or train? What is the best way to get to Penang, Malaysia? We say take the KTM ETS train. Here are 3 reasons you should too. Easy, on time, very organized boarding from KL Central. But don't forget to book your tickets early. Great on-board comfort with reserved seating, clean washrooms, F&B you can buy, and USB charging ports. How far full? Most of all, it doesn't get more scenic. Or more relaxing than this. Highly recommended. You will arrive at Butterworth Station in just about 4 hours. If you're headed to Georgetown, take a left here. Follow the well-marked signs to the ferry terminal. It's a 7-minute easy walk. You can buy ferry tickets here, or if you have a touch-and-go card, simply tap it at the turnstile. No need to queue. You will arrive in Georgetown in just 15 to 20 minutes. Don't forget your hat or umbrella and sunglasses. If you would like to see more quick travel tips, please do the thing they all say to do. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.